How to redeem Xbox gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem the Xbox gift card. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you can do is on your device, any device that you want, on your browser, you want to head into your browser. Now what you want to do on the browser is you can see the redeem page here. Now to get here, what you want to do is at the top of the URL on the search bar, what you want to do is type in redeem.microsoft.com. as you can see there on the screen. You want to type in redeem.microsoft.com. make sure to type in correctly, tap on go, and it'll take you to this page here. Now before this, it'll ask you to log into your account if you're not signed in. You want to sign in using your Microsoft account, that is your Xbox account. Obviously your Xbox account is your Microsoft account, as you know. So you want to sign in with the Microsoft account that you're connected to on Xbox, that you want to redeem on. So here you can see redeem your code or gift card. With a Microsoft product key or gift card, you can get access to a wide selection of the latest apps, games, premium devices, and more. To redeem your Microsoft or Xbox gift card, please enter your 25-character code in the space below. It'll be added to Bipinbasnet1. You can see my Gmail that there. So you want to make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to redeem it on, and then enter in your 25-character code. Go ahead, tap on next, and it'll take you through certain prompts, and then you'll be able to redeem it to your account. So this way you can redeem Xbox gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.